Hi folks, welcome back. We're back at Project Piston 4 today. The subframe's back from NK Coatings Mallusk. Russell done all the repair work, took all the rod out first. It was then sent for galvanizing and it's back, and we'll show you around it now.
I can feel it somewhere inside, haunting like a drug I keep on wanting. There's a love that fits so perfect, it's hard to believe. There's a reason I can feel my heart stop beating, and the air gets tough.
So great job done by NK Coatings to have the subframe back up to scratch and ready to go back into the car. We're just going to put a coating of hammerite over the top of the galvanizing. It's a special hammerite galvanizing paint. So there hasn't been much progress over this past week or so, but it's good to get the subframe back, ready to go into the car nearly with a wee coat of paint on it. We've also got word that Courtney Sport has received the paddle clutch, the competition clutch, into stock, but we're still waiting on the billet flywheel, the lightning flywheel to come in. So that's putting things on hold a wee bit, but as soon as the parts are here, we'll get working on the project again. I just want to take this opportunity as well to thank everybody for their continued support. I'm a wee bit overwhelmed by the amount of people that are leaving me comments, subscribing, but for this to be a success and to continue, I need your continued support. And I'd asked everybody if they could share our videos, share the channel in fact, with all their friends, like the videos, leave comments, just be open. Just say what you think. If there's things you see I could be doing better, let me know. But yeah, much appreciated if you could share the video. This is going to be short and sweet. As I say, we've not really been up to much lately, but as soon as the billet flywheel and the clutch arrive, we'll be back on the job, and we'll keep you up to date. Until next time.
Hold her flat.
Hold her flat.